When your app goes live, it's not just users who show up. Attackers are always lurking, looking for vulnerabilities to exploit. Security is no longer an afterthought, it's a necessity. In this video, we'll break down how Cloudflare helps protect your web applications from a variety of threats. From firewalls to API shields, we'll explore the tools and strategies that keep your apps safe. Let's start by understanding why security is so crucial in today's digital landscape, and then dive into the specific solutions Cloudflare offers. One of the first lines of defense is the Web Application Firewall, or WAF. This tool acts as a filter, monitoring all incoming traffic to your web application. Its main job is to spot and block harmful requests before they reach your server. Whether it's a suspicious IP address or a strange request pattern, WAF is always on guard. By setting up rules, it can detect and prevent attacks like SQL injection, keeping your app secure from common threats. The primary purpose of a web application firewall is simple: protect your website from harmful attacks. It acts as a shield, standing between your app and potential attackers. By filtering out malicious traffic, WAF ensures that only legitimate users can access your site. This layer of protection is essential for maintaining trust and keeping your data safe. Let's see how WAF achieves this in practice. WAF operates using a set of rules. These rules are designed to identify and block suspicious activity. For example, it can block specific IP addresses known for malicious behavior, or it can spot unusual request patterns that suggest an attack. One of the most important functions is detecting malicious inputs, such as SQL injection attempts. By catching these threats early, WAF prevents them from reaching your server and causing damage. Let's look at a real example. Imagine a hacker tries to send a request like harmful SQL query to your website. This is a classic SQL injection attempt. The WAF is trained to recognize this kind of suspicious input. Instead of letting it through, the WAF blocks it right away, keeping your data safe and your app running smoothly. This automatic detection is crucial for modern web security. You might wonder if adding a firewall slows down your app. The answer is yes, but the delay is minimal. Cloudflare's WAF operates at the edge, meaning filtering happens before traffic reaches your server. Processing is highly optimized, so the latency is negligible compared to the security benefits. Your users won't notice the difference, but attackers certainly will. Another major threat is distributed denial of service, or DDoS attacks. Attackers flood your server with massive amounts of fake traffic, hoping to overwhelm it and take it offline. Cloudflare's DDoS protection is designed to handle these situations, keeping your app available even under heavy attack. Cloudflare uses rate limiting to defend against DDoS attacks. It tracks the number of requests each IP address makes. If an IP sends too many requests, say more than 100 per minute, Cloudflare will block or throttle that traffic. This prevents attackers from overwhelming your server and ensures legitimate users can still access your app. Think of rate limiting as a counter for each IP address. Every time a request comes in, the counter increases. If the counter goes over the limit, Cloudflare steps in to block or slow down the traffic. This simple concept is highly effective at stopping basic DDoS attacks, but attackers often try to bypass it by changing IP addresses. Attackers are clever. They often use multiple IP addresses to try and bypass rate limits. Cloudflare anticipates this by analyzing behavior and detecting bot patterns. Instead of relying only on IP-based filtering, it looks for suspicious traffic groups and blocks them. This advanced analysis ensures that even sophisticated attacks are stopped in their tracks. Cloudflare's DDoS protection isn't just about blocking individual IPs. It uses sophisticated algorithms to identify and block groups of suspicious traffic. By looking at patterns and behaviors, Cloudflare can stop attacks that would otherwise slip through basic filters. This layered approach keeps your app safe from even the most persistent attackers. APIs are a common target for attackers, so protecting them is crucial. Cloudflare's API shield is designed to secure your backend endpoints. It validates every request, ensuring only authorized clients can access your API. This prevents unauthorized access, data scraping, and abuse of your endpoints. Imagine your backend API should only be called by your mobile app. API Shield makes sure that only valid clients can access your API. If someone tries to call your API from an unauthorized source, Cloudflare blocks the request. This keeps your data safe and prevents abuse. API Shield is especially useful for preventing unauthorized API access, data scraping, and endpoint abuse. By validating requests and blocking invalid clients, it ensures your API is only used as intended. This reduces the risk of data leaks and keeps your backend secure. Front-end security is just as important as backend protection. Cloudflare's Page Shield monitors scripts running on your website, keeping an eye out for anything suspicious. This helps prevent attacks that target your users directly, such as malicious scripts or data theft. Page Shield operates on the front end, monitoring scripts as they execute in the browser. This real-time analysis helps catch threats before they can harm your users. By keeping a close watch on script activity, Cloudflare ensures your website remains safe and trustworthy. Malicious scripts can steal data or compromise your users. Page Shield continuously monitors all scripts running on your site, looking for unusual behavior. If it detects something suspicious, it alerts you and blocks the threat. This proactive approach keeps your users safe and your reputation intact. Protecting user data is a top priority. Page Shield helps prevent data theft by blocking malicious scripts before they can access sensitive information. This adds an extra layer of security, ensuring your users' data stays private and secure. Cloudflare's security tools work together to provide a layered defense. WAF, DDoS protection, API Shield, and Page Shield each address different threats. By combining these solutions, you create a robust security posture that protects your app from all angles. Security is always evolving. Cloudflare continuously updates its tools to stay ahead of new threats. By relying on Cloudflare, you benefit from ongoing improvements and the latest security innovations. Your app stays protected, even as attackers change tactics. In summary, Cloudflare offers a comprehensive suite of security tools. From WAF to DDoS protection, API Shield, and Page Shield, each plays a vital role in keeping your app safe. By understanding and implementing these solutions, you can protect your users, your data, and your reputation. Security is a journey, and Cloudflare is your trusted partner along the way.